Hi, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to be talking to you about BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is a beauty subscription box and it costs about $25 for 5 brand name full-size products. One of the advantages of BoxyCharm is that they let you choose a product each month. They do have a few variations between the boxes depending on your survey results or what you chose, but in general I really like the option to choose at least one of the products. They ship them in these matte black boxes, and when you open it up they have a description talking about the different products and how you might use them. And then they package some of the stuff in foam or however they think it needs to be to protect it. So this month I got 5 different products. The one that I selected from the choice was this Elemis Pro-Collagen Rose Facial Oil. I picked it because it seems like a pretty gentle facial oil and I think it's something that I'm definitely going to try. I just don't know if I'm going to use it every day because it has a pretty strong scent. Next we have the Aesthetica Pro Series Brush Cleanser and Conditioner. This is actually something that I will use because I do like to use brush shampoos when I clean my brushes. It's not something that I necessarily need right this minute, but I will use it. Next is the Ciate Marble Light Illuminating Blusher. It comes in this beautiful sort of marbly rose shade. I think this is something I'm definitely going to try out and I'm really looking forward to using it. I do find that I get a lot of blushes in these beauty boxes, and so I do have quite a few right now, but I am excited to try this one, and so I think it was a good pick for me. Next we have the Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit. So basically you got your brow gel, your brow wax, your colors, and then a brush to apply them. This is a nice versatile color. It looks like the shades would go well with the sort of blonde in my brows. I don't really need this right now, so I'll probably give it away, but it does seem like a nice kit and it's really pretty in the box. Last is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tale Robin Hood palette. I absolutely love the packaging of this. I think it is so cute. It looks like a book. It's got this beautiful gilded finish on the packaging. And then inside they have this really fun eyeshadow palette in shades that are kind of themed around Robin Hood. So you've got your gorgeous kind of hunter green and forest green, and then some browns and golds as well. These do have a lot of nice colors in them and it's something that I'm considering playing around with. Unfortunately, I looked at the ingredients and it includes some things like carbon black, which is one of the ingredients that I typically try to avoid. So it's not the most natural ingredients, but it is really fun in terms of the packaging and it's just something that I might not necessarily find myself. So that's one of the fun things about boxes like BoxyCharm, is that you end up finding products that you might not know about otherwise. While I do feel like these are high value boxes in terms of monetary value, I don't know if they're necessarily products that I need or will be using on a regular basis. I feel like a box like Ipsy tends to provide a higher value with their add-ons, whereas with BoxyCharm sometimes I just don't like the choices. However, I think if you're someone who likes experimenting with beauty a lot and you're not as particular about ingredients as I am, it could be a really good option. $25 really isn't that much for brands like Ciate and Tarte, especially because you'd usually pay that much for one single product. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.